going to enjoy my time. Don't them worry about it. Yes, sir. Drive carefully as well.
All right, guys, we're walking through the flea market one last time here. It is now 12:20 in the afternoon. Final day of the Huntsville Hamfest. Boy, this is bittersweet, y'all. I love this Hamfest. This is, I'm just gonna say it, this is my favorite Hamfest. I like this quite a bit. And, you know, it's unfortunately coming to an end for the year. It's gonna start to count down to next year's Huntsville Hamfest. But this is when deals are being made out here, y'all. Deals are starting to be made. Prices are being cut. People are leaving here with some very good stuff at good prices. Several are also packing up, getting out. Can't blame them whatsoever, especially if they've got a lot to take with them.
Yeah, I'm going to enjoy my time. Don't them worry about it. Yes, sir. Drive carefully as well.
You can already see back towards the back, quite a bit's already been taken down. Motorola stuff, computers and components. Had a great time today with the YouTubers Forum. A lot of good questions. Good to meet several of you. I always appreciate when you guys come up and say that you watched my channel, watched my stream. Absolutely just makes me tickled to death. And those of you that contribute to the channel, certainly appreciate your contributions, whether it be by channel membership, which is available, super chats.
Hi guys, right across Josh, AA4WX at HamShackTV. Josh, hi in the camera, hi everybody. Anyway guys, Clayton, K9QCA, 250 pounds of Yazoo. Second year here in Huntsville. I'm going to try to make it next year for 2026. Having a blast. Guys, check out my channel please, 250 pounds of Yazoo on YouTube. And I'm going to say 73, and thanks for having me here. Thanks guys.
Deals are being made. You see some of the price tags I'm showing, you're seeing hash marks in them. They're dropping and dropping. Still, it's about 2 good hours left in the show, but you can see like these folks right here, they're packing up, getting ready to hang it up. Oh, that's cool. Check this out. Mouse pads with all the set menus for the ICOM 7300. That's really cool.
Are you doing the interviews today?
No interview.
What channel?
HamShackTV.
Okay. Hola señores y señores del canal número cuál? ¿Cómo se llama el canal? What is the name of the channel?
HamShackTV.
HamShackTV.
Yep, right here.
Oh, can I have this?
You can.
This is beautiful. I used to work for CNN in Spanish
Really?
for 17 years, like a news anchor in radio. We feed 185 affiliates around the world.
Wow.
Covering the newscast and things like that, but I have my own channel on YouTube, podcasting right now, and I do interviews. I go to Greece. I just came from Greece about 3 days ago, and I do interviews and things like that. I'm glad that you're doing this
Yeah.
for us. Can I have another one of these?
Sure,
Or
of course you
don't have
can. I've got 1,000 of them.
I will follow you. Are you on the channel?
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, it's my channel. I'm the only one there.
I congratulate you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. You just run into everybody over here, y'all. Gentleman said he worked for CNN International, I think is what he meant there. So really cool. You see everybody all the time. So, okay, use the gimbal quite a bit down here. This new gimbal, and folks, I've got to tell you, I'm so much more satisfied with this gimbal than I am that Fiutech. I just stumbled across this gimbal, and it was a great deal completely. Normally $300, got it for $100, and I'm actually kind of familiar with it. In a sense, I am at my work. We have the DJI version of this radio, or this gimbal. So, hope you're enjoying it. I hope it's more enjoyable to watch with the more steady or stable stuff. Some Baofengs and Huashangs. So again, folks, Ham Radio Prep, World Radio League, love these guys. They have made this entirely possible, this tour. I'm kind of sad that the tour is over. I really am. So if you're looking to get your amateur radio license, maybe upgrade or maybe take a class, Ham Radio Prep's the way to go. Use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off their great prices. And in addition to that, they've got some other courses that you might have interest in. World Radio League as well, best logging software there is. Go check it out. You don't have to pay a single penny to try it out. Just set you up an account and give it a try. And if you like it, you can get a subscription for it. All you have to do is use my coupon code. You'll get 10% off your membership to World Radio League. So you can see 12-volt power starting to tear down. Chat radio still hasn't torn down just yet. But you can see Jim still pedaling. He's got his C crane radios. things of that nature. Hamvention's already gone. Can't wait for Hamvention again next year. Hamvention is phenomenal. Had a great conversation as we round the bend here with Ray Novak from ICOM, and really excited to continue to work with those guys. I'm now all about ICOM. Of course, I have my D75, but little do people know, ICOM actually had a hand in designing that radio. So there's a little bit of a partnership there, but I mean, these radios are phenomenal. Yaesu has its place. I'm not going to say anything negative about Yaesu, but for my use case and my operating comfort, I like ICOM. I do. So Ray's great people. Appreciate him. I don't know if y'all saw in the earlier videos. These are all more organizations than purchases. This is, we'll take a quick walk through some of these. Oh, we haven't walked through Gigaparts yet. You know what? Let's go through Gigaparts. So Gigaparts, by and large, has the largest booth in Huntsville. But you see, you walk in, they have a little bit of everything right there to start.
And we'll be in your store tomorrow morning before we head on out.
Got books, Digirig.
How new are you?
Methamphlone coax. POTA Explorer.
Okay. Yeah, I still need something else.
So appreciate it. All right, we're gonna circle back around here. The Alabama Contest Group, North Alabama DX Club, Long Island CW Club, Straight Key Century Club. I know buddy of mine, Carol, W4PCA, member of them. AMSAT, Lafayette Middle School, Eris, Quadnet, NARA. We actually had NARA on my live stream the other night, so we appreciate them, and Michael and all those. I do want to show you all this piece of paper, and this is something that Michael was trying to show. This is the NARA regions, so give you a good idea of that. Got the POTA booth here, which Michael's also a part of. Stone Mountain Hamfest, Laser Ham. Back on this side we have Ole Miss, American Contingency. There's Nancy with her Rars Fest. Having a lot of conversations with Nancy about Rars Fest right now, and hoping to be able to come back there. We'll just have to see, but hopefully we've got some big news coming back with Rars Fest next year. So, yeah, I mean, that's really, about all there is to see here at the Huntsville Hamfest. Now, again, this is Sunday afternoon, about 12:40. So, yes, it doesn't look as full. That's because it's Sunday. It slows down on Sunday. A lot of people go home. They go to one day and then go home. Huntsville Hamfest is one of the best hamfests in the country. I'm privileged and grateful that, Mark and their group entrusts me and allows me to come do this and cover it here on HamShackTV. Again, I can't say enough about Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. We've been all over the dang southeastern, the East Coast really, for the most part, for this tour. And it's all thanks to World Radio League and Ham Radio Prep. I've got to shout out James Cribbs, N0WRL. He's the CEO of the company, and also Andy, N0APX. Both of them have been instrumental in the growth of this channel and making this tour happen. So I thank them so much. I thank them for their friendship and being a partner of HamShackTV. And hope to work with them again next year. Really do. We've been, we started off the Hamfest season in Dalton, Georgia back in February. Then we went to Sevier County for the Sevierville Hamfest in March. We went to Raleigh in April. We went to Dayton in May. Then we had the Knoxville Hamfest in June. Took July off, and here we are in Dayton for August, I keep saying Dayton, Huntsville for August. So it's been, we've racked up quite a few miles, let's just put it that way. And we'll probably go to a couple of one-off hamfests for the rest of the year, but they're not part of this tour. I know we've got a couple of smaller hamfests in my region. So, guys, anyway, I can't say thank you enough. Appreciate your support. If you have appreciated the HamShackTV Hamfest Tour Field by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League, do me a favor, one of two things. Either go and check out Ham Radio Prep or World Radio League and use my coupon code. That'll certainly help that. Or use the super thanks down below. Super chats, something like that. Super thanks. Channel memberships are available too. Guys, this thing doesn't fuel itself and I need your help. So guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX, WSEB 693.